Assalamualaikum and a very good morning to everyone. My name is Dr. Nur Hasharita binti Hassan from University Kebangsaan Malaysia, and today I would like to talk about my research, which is the title of my presentation today will be Protic Ionic Liquid as Curcumin Extraction Enhancer. Okay, let me give a brief introduction. All right, so turmeric, or in the scientific name, known as Curcuma longa, is native to tropical South Asia and widely used as food coloring, spice, and also food preservative. Okay, turmeric, phytomedicines and nutraceuticals attributes is due to high content of curcuminoids, which include curcumin, dimethoxycurcumin, and also bismethoxycurcumin, of polyphenol with pronounced yellow color. Okay, curcumin, the major compound of curcuminoids, display antioxidant, anti-cancer, antiviral, and also anti-neuroinflammation, and it also helps to improve cognitive impairment. However, curcumin is also unstable in alkaline condition and also have low solubility in water, and it degrades faster under alkaline condition. Curcumin is more stable and has low degradation under lower pH, which is in acidic condition. So in order to tackle this problem, our approach is to introduce Protic Ionic Liquid, which is triethyl ammonium hydrogen sulfate, THS, which is a green solvent with similar properties to ionic liquid. In addition of simple synthesis route, which is in addition, it also very easy to synthesis, only use acid-base reaction and easy handling, no inert condition required compared to conventional ionic liquids. Okay, let's talk about the method for curcumin extraction and quantification in this project. All right, extraction process is one of the important stage before the purification and bioactive constituents characterization. Okay, several extraction method such as maceration, low pressure solvent extraction, percolation, and also using supercritical fluid, ultrasonic and microwave assisted extraction have been applied for curcumin extraction. Okay, however, each of the extraction methods have its own advantages and also disadvantages. All right, so in our case, we use normal soaking extraction. The parameters that we use are solvent to solid ratio 10 ml per gram, temperature 80 degrees Celsius, and extraction time 12 hours. All right, and then after that we proceed to for the quantification. We use reverse phase HPLC parameters for RP-HPLC, mobile phase acetonitrile water 50-50, temperature 30 degrees C, injection volume 20 microliter, wavelength that we use 425 nanometer, and flow rate. The flow rate is 0.8 ml per minute. Okay, before I proceed with the result from for the main analysis, I would like to give a brief introduction on ionic liquids that we use in this project. Okay, actually ionic liquids display a wide range of unique properties such as high thermal stability, non-flammability, and also insignificant vapor pressure, and also low chemical reactivity. Okay, also ionic liquids have been known to have a very good properties, which is it has fine tunability density, and also viscosity, polarity, and miscible with other common solvents. Okay, there are a wide range of categories for ionic liquids, such as acidic ionic liquids, basic ionic liquids, functionalized ionic liquid, metal containing ionic liquids, and also in this case, the one that we're using in this project is Protic ionic liquids. Okay, combination of a Bronsted acid and a Bronsted base produce Protic ionic liquids, and the dissolution of or addition of Protic ionic liquids in organic solvent can result in low pH solution due to its acidic properties. Okay. Okay, and also besides that, it's also similar to the commercialized. It has similarities to the commercialized anti liquids with addition to a very simple steps route through neutralization process between prostatic acid and a base at a very low cost. Okay, this is the result, the NMR and FTIR result for the protein anti liquids, which is the THS that we have synthesized in our lab. Okay, protein ionic liquids has been widely applied in liquid-liquid extraction, okay, such as the extraction of metal complexes and also lanthanide from aprotic imidazolium ionic liquids, extraction of palladium-2 and also platinum from HCl, extraction of pyridine from heptane in petroleum, and some of the protein ionic liquids also have been used for bioactive extraction, such as the extraction of some fungus from spirulina, and our THS also is one of the protein ionic liquid that has been used in lignocellulosic biomass pretreatment, and also fractionation with higher saccharification yields as reported by Brand et al. Okay, and the application of THS as additive for curcumin extraction, however, have not been yet reported. Therefore, in our study, we aim to analyze the effect of THS in addition, THS addition at different ratio towards enhancement in curcumin extraction. Okay, as we can see from here, we use ethanol as a control. Okay, based on table 1, we can see that addition of THS to ethanol resulted in decrement of pH value of extraction medium. Okay, 2.03 to 2.41. Okay, THS is a protic ionic liquid produced through acid-base reaction, okay, consisting of triethylamine and also sulfuric acid at equimolar ratio. So the presence of HSO4 ions resulted in acidic or low pH solution. Okay, this result in the higher concentration of curcumin observed with addition of THS, which is for 5.4% as compared to the control which is ethanol. Okay, this occurrence associated with low pH value extraction medium with THS addition. Okay, curcumin has higher stability, lower degradation at acidic condition, as this also tally with the one that has been reported from the journals. Okay, and THS addition versus viscosity. Okay, based on table 1 also, the addition of THS to ethanol resulted in increment in viscosity. Okay, when we add THS to the ethanol, the viscosity has been increased. Increment in solute THS amount in same volume of solvent, limiting the dissociation of ions, thus resulted in higher viscosity. Okay, therefore decrement in curcumin yield observed with further addition of THS above 1. Okay, further increment in THS addition resulted in higher viscosity of extraction medium for curcumin extraction. Smaller diffusion coefficient correlate high viscosity will restrict or limiting the dissolution of curcumin in the extraction medium. Okay, as for the conclusion, we can say that the addition of THS enhanced the curcumin extraction, and THS aid in production of low pH solution that accommodate curcumin extraction which more stable under acidic condition, and low pH and viscosity is the key factor in increasing the dissolution of curcumin into the mediated solvent extraction. That's all from me. Thank you and terima kasih.